Thinking you need to spend hundreds on A-tools? Think again. We're revealing the best free A-tools that rival paid versions, and when you actually need to upgrade, free A-tools have democratized technology. Creators, freelancers, and small businesses can now access enterprise-grade features without breaking the bank. ChatGPT, Free, Canva, and Runway Mill offer incredible value. The catch: limited features and monthly usage caps, priority support, and advanced features. We'll show you exactly which free tools crush it. Number 1, ChatGPT Free for writing, coding, brainstorming. Number 2, Canva Design Professional Graphics instantly. Number 2, Canva Design Professional Graphics instantly. Number 4, Midjourney Free Trial Image Generation. Number 5, Perplexity iResearch with real-time web access. Number 4, Perplexity iResearch. Each replaces expensive software. Test them today. Go free if you're learning or testing. Upgrade when you hit usage limits, need faster processing, or require commercial rights. For creators earning 5 kilos monthly, paid iTools ROI is undeniable. ChatGPT Plus, Canva Pro, and Adobe Firefly Premium accelerate workflow massively. Calculate your hourly rate of saves 5 hours weekly. Paid plans pay for themselves. Start free. Document what frustrates you. Slow speeds, watermarks, feature limits. That's your upgrade signal. Most creators thrive with 1 paid tool and 4 free ones combined. We use this exact strategy. Your workflow matters more than tool count. Quality over quantity always wins. Found this helpful. Subscribe for weekly iTool reviews. Hit like and comment which free tool you're trying first. Let's grow together.